Takihin ka talaga sa puso pag matumba ka. This is a 25 cm or 10 inch. Yes, buddy, this is fun. It's really fun to wear this one. I have this in red, and then it's already damaged, like everything's faded, and then I cannot wear it, so I get this one. Then of course, this is also, see, also fading the color. This too is my favorite Gaga heels. String already, see, is faded. So this is one of my old heels. Hi Jonathan, thank you for the flowers.